Hi everyone, how you going? This is just I've been away, as you might have seen, and I thought I'd just come and I haven't looked at this book for a week, so I just thought I'd come in and do the things, the final things that need to be done to each page to kind of finish them off. So just been using acrylic pens or metallic markers and my ink pen, and just doing a final, still trying to keep that minimalistic, space around things and so forth, especially because we're starting with a background already, so it becomes a little bit more of a challenge. I'm really loving how these have all turned out. I have probably done enough red, gold, black and white now, and I'm going to move on in my book. You would have seen this book of all the finished pieces, and I really love them. I feel like there's a lot of information here for me to actually go and create artwork from these, but I have kind of moved on symbolistic wise. As you know, I create my own symbols. I run workshops in Australia for creating your own personal symbols, and that has kind of taken off with my inner goddess workshops and the symbols and my silver. I'm pretty busy. So, I hope one day, if you're Australian and live in Melbourne, that I will actually see you in my small studio in the Mornington Peninsula. But if not, please don't hesitate to contact me and ask me any questions about my work, which is kind of a bit unique to anyone else's. Now, I am going to work on this book still because it's, as you can see, can you see? Yes, it's not quite finished. There are a few pages that I haven't finished in here, but what I've decided, I was going to change to orange, and I thought, no, I'm actually not, because Froyle has done orange and I've done orange too. So I thought, no, I'm not going to do that. She can take that and I will move on with something else. She does a beautiful job of doing that online. She's a gorgeous artist in New Zealand. If you're not following her, you should follow her. She's fabulous. Because I don't pay for my YouTube, and I don't, there's no ads or anything like that. You actually have to copy and paste that into a new thing, because it just doesn't instantly go there. Unfortunately, maybe if I get a lot of viewers, that will happen. Who will know? So what I'm going to do with these black and white ones that I've got left in here, which are beautiful, beautiful card, is I'm actually going to go to my turquoise. Because turquoise, for some reason, for me, is my thing. I'm in the middle of doing a workshop, my own work, I should say, not a workshop, with a background in these colours. So I feel that will translate into this. So I don't know quite what we're going to do, but I just thought I'd pop in and tell you that that's what I've done. I've finished this. I've probably got about 10 pages, 10 weeks more of doing pages on this. I am going to go turquoise next, and I'm going to be doing something different again from all the things that I've actually done. So I look forward to seeing you, and you have a great week. Bye.